guys, so I've got a 30-minute trek up to meet a team lead up in Davie. I met with his team a couple weeks ago, but he wasn't able to make it. He was at an inspection. So I'm going to be heading up there, meeting with them. Then I'm going to be stopping at Best Buy because I need to get a microphone for this thing, and as well as kind of like a gimbal or some sort so I can hold it, make it a little bit easier to hold. But hopefully we'll be able to record a little bit of the actual meeting. We'll see you guys soon. All right, guys, so I just got here now to the office. I'm a couple minutes early. I'm going to be walking in. I don't think we're going to be recording this. I prefer not to. If we do record conversations with other realtors, it'll probably just be when we have lunch or during the podcast or something like that. I think these meetings, we're going to kind of keep them private, but we'll see how it goes. Like I mentioned, I met with his team a couple weeks ago, so we'll be meeting with him today. Hopefully we can snag another deal in this market, especially with rates going up. Today we got news that going to be close to the sevens, or if not, we're already at the sevens. In terms of interest rates, it's very important to keep your referral partners strong, mend the basket, like we like to say, and meet with new people consistently. So hopefully I'll have a good update for you guys after. Hey guys, so meeting went fantastic. This is a big team down in South Florida. They've got 60 million year to date, so it's going to be exciting to start working with them. They're already going to be starting referring us leads soon. But we had a great conversation. So he used to be in sports management. He switched over full time to real estate because he was having his kids and stuff like that. Pretty much very similar to my story in the sense that I got into real estate because of I got into real estate because my son was going to be born too. And that's what really got me into the industry and away from my day job. So it was pretty cool to kind of connect on that. We're both Dolphins fans, so very, very excited to work with him in the future. I already work with, like I mentioned, one or two people from his team here and there, but to actually have the team lead kind of say, hey, Mike is one of our guys now, going to make it a little bit easier to get even more leads and be able to convert with them. So super excited. Going to be heading to Best Buy right now because I really need to get a gimbal for this thing. My hands are killing me. And also get a microphone because I can imagine that the audio that you're hearing now is not going to be great compared to when I actually put a good microphone on here. But just finished out the office. The camera battery ran out while we were recording our meeting, but I came by, had a meeting with the team just to kind of see more or less where we were at for the day, what happened last week, because I was out Thursday and Friday. So just kind of going over clients, closings, stuff like that. We had 2 closings today. One that we've been trying to close. We were ready for a couple weeks, but it was a probate issue, so title wasn't ready. They finally got their stuff together, and we were able to close that one today for the end of the month. And then our last one for the month was a triplex that we closed as well, 789. So we should be ending this month very, very good. I think we were at about 4.85 million or something like that funded for this month. So very, very excited. We're looking at 2 million, a little bit more than 2 million for next month so far, hopefully, from the numbers that we did today. I did end up stopping at Best Buy, so now kind of holding this camera feels a little bit more comfortable. The video quality, or the sound quality probably sounds a little bit better as well. Right now we are heading to the gym. I usually go in the mornings. Today I wasn't able to, so I'm going to be going now. And then my son has baseball at 7 o'clock, so still won't be, relaxing probably till about 8 or 9 o'clock at night. Hey guys, so sorry I cut off the vlog there for day 1. I did end up going to the gym. Ian did not have a baseball game because it was pouring rain. So the next transition you're going to be seeing is from day 2 of the vlog. So hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so it is currently 7:58. Just finished at the gym. Woke up this morning at about 6 o'clock. Got here about 6:20ish. Now I'm going to get a smoothie, so I'm starving. Then we're going to head to the office. We got a 9 a.m. today. Usually every Tuesday we have our sales meeting, so we'll be doing that at 9. And today we'll just be in the office for the most part. So probably not too much recording. We don't have really any outside meetings, but you'll kind of see some of our day-to-days. If there is a scenario that comes up, I'll definitely turn on the camera so that we'll probably discuss it with you guys, or even as we're talking about it in the group. But we are headed to Smoothie King right now, and then we'll be headed to the office. Give her the rest. Doesn't matter.
Yeah. To get to that specific, because it's paying down because she's already at a 7.3.
So give her a better credit. Give her a better rate.
It's 87.50, right?
87.50. Give her a better rate then.
I hope you ain't believe that bullshit he said.
Bro, y'all weird, bro. I believe him too.
That's messed up. You believe him. This man made up every story he could. Hey, you think
Most of the story, but not all.
Hey, you think she coming in?
No.
Today's Tuesday.
Yeah, she is. Don't matter. Take it.
Set up your stuff. Let it be ready.
All right, we're heading down there for downstairs for a Tuesday meeting. This guy over here doing something he was supposed to do yesterday.
No.
Oh, sorry.
Somebody else.
Mason was supposed to do yesterday. This guy over here.
wait.
So we finished our 9 a.m. sales meeting. Now I was kind of just coming in, looking at my emails, responding back to text messages and phone calls and stuff like that. I'm going to be going over with Mo. He's part of the team, kind of going over some of his pre-approvals. He wants me to take a look at them, make sure that the credit, income, and assets are good. He's got about 3 pending applications, so hopefully they come out to 3 pre-approvals. I'll be looking at those, and hopefully we got the mic, the camera on at that time. We'll see kind of how it goes. I don't want just a second set of eyes, but hopefully we can get some good news, because right now in this market it's very, very tough. Yesterday we got a 150 basis point hit on rates, so now we're like in the 7s. We do believe it's going to be getting better, guys. I mean, if you guys are in the industry, you kind of know more or less, but if not, mortgages right now they're in the 7s. As of today, September 27th, but I think by October, November, December, we'll be having a good fourth quarter. I think when it comes to rates, they'll be coming back down, probably ending the year.
Today is at 7.5.
This league, I'm what, 3-0 or 2-1? 2-1. 2-1. That's right, you lead me. I'm 3-0.
Mason, who'd you beat yesterday?
Vinny.
Let me see.
Whoop that ass.
Damn, you had a 27% chance of winning, or 20% chance of winning yesterday,
Yes, sir.
and you won by 2 points.
Yes, sir.
Vinny, word on the street is that you lost in fantasy yesterday, bro. This guy had 20% chance of winning yesterday morning.
That is the absolute truth. He ended up, going ahead and activating his cheat code, and next thing you know, he beat me by 2 points.
That's crazy, bro.
It is absolutely insane.
Look at this guy, bro. He thinks he's a baller. An insurance agent just brought lunch, and look at these vultures, bro. Watch this. Look.
Red is spicy chicken
I
sandwich?
think it's yes.
The red is spicy. Yeah, red is spicy.
I'm in
Yeah,
fork,
that's good.
so I don't think.
Quick update here. So, I have had a scenario here. Single mom, very, very low purchase price. South Florida, contract price for condos about $135,000 is what we got it at. Like I said, single mom makes less than $50,000 a year with rates being higher. I think the association on this one was at $671 a month. DTIs were slightly above 52%, so she was right above. She can actually get approved for. The team was thinking about trying to do it FHA. Told them no way. FHA condo approvals. It's a good second option. What people don't understand with these FHA single unit approvals is that the client has to invest a lot of money up front, usually about $800, $900 for the condo questionnaire and for inspection before they even find out if that condo is going to get approved. This lady only has $6,000, so $800, $900. That's a big chunk of change. It's almost 20% of what her savings are. It's about 15% of what her savings are. So we don't want to go that route if we don't need to. Looked into the file. I know that from the conversations we've had with the listing agent that they'd be willing to take $130. Notice I said that purchase price is $135. So what we're doing is she had an installment of about $4,000. Monthly payment was $240. So if we're able to get that paid off, we're able to make it work. We're going to basically have the seller cover that 3%. Seller contribution at $135 is going to be about $4,000. So basically zeroes out that debt. She's getting down payment assistance. She's getting help of about $10,000 on this. She should be only really coming in cash to close about $4 or $5 grand. So able to save the deal. Very low purchase price. We don't care because we're able to help somebody else get into a home, and we were being pretty creative when we were able to do it. So very excited. We should have that contract accepted any moment now. Like I said, it's not too much, but definitely helps, getting somebody into a home. Right now, I'm going to be doing a video for BombBomb. I'll be recording that, probably, fast forward through it. That one we're going to be talking about how we're kind of like the market that we're in and that we're going to be all right. A lot of realtors right now, they kind of get nervous, they get scared. And my job as a loan officer is not only to close loans, but to make sure that my referral partners are motivated. So we're going to be, playing some Kendrick Lamar. We're going to be all right on that video, but just talking to them kind of what we see in the near future. And then going to make a reel or and a TikTok before I leave today. I have no idea what I'm going to do with that, but I guess we'll see. We'll figure it out. Why is my Zoom quality when I record so bad? If I have a not great, but I have a decent webcam. I gotta figure that out. I don't like the quality that comes out of it. The recording stopped because I ran out of battery on the camera, but I got it to charge. I got multiple batteries on here. But did a great video, no script. Gonna be sending this out on BombBomb. I'm contemplating putting it on YouTube as well before this video comes out, or before this vlog comes out. I'm gonna have to edit this vlog. It's probably gonna take me a couple days, but I think I'm just gonna throw it on there, man. It's content. I'm just gonna throw it on there and see, and just continue to do it. Video looks great, but it's the quality, right? It's the quality issue that comes with it. Other than that, the content of the video is great. So I may not actually. I'm gonna say that I'm not gonna post it. I need to figure out how I can get very good quality on Zoom. I think I had the settings correct before and it was fine, and I don't know if anything changed or anything like that, but we'll see. So we're done with sales for the end of the month. I just wanted to show you guys that we are, so far, we're on the 27th. There's still about 3 more days, but we're first place in the company in sales this month. We are, we hit President's Club, which is basically 20 million in sales. You get put into the President's Club for the company, which means that you're able to go out to whatever trips that the corporate provides. So we already hit that last year. We didn't hit that till like the end of December. We were like at the last loan is when we got 20 million last year. So too, it's pretty exciting to be able to hit this. in September, even before October comes, hit that 20 million, be first place in the company 1 month in sales. Even though throughout the year we're about, I think, 15th place for the whole company. So we got a lot of catching up to do. Maybe next year I'll kick some you know what when it comes to the bigger guys. But very happy for the team. I'm excited for the team moving forward. Excited for the industry. We give a lot of good content, a lot of good value to people, and this is really what puts us where we're at. And we work our, you know what's off. But I'm gonna end the vlog here. At least this episode specifically, we got a lot of content that I hope you guys enjoyed. This is the first of many, and we'll talk soon. Peace.